Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna hop into Walgreens. We're gonna do a quick little transaction at Walgreens, and we are going to see if the glitching is still working. Plus there's a really amazing Ibotta rebate that I want to get as well for some jelly bean vitamins, but I did get them over at Walmart in my Walmart video, but the rebate is an additional rebate at another store. Sometimes that'll happen where if you get something at Walmart, you can also do the rebate again. It'll count for an additional rebate because it's not the same at all the stores. You know what I mean? So with this rebate, it's $14.99 back for the vitamins at Walgreens, and then it's like $9.96 at Walmart. So there are two different rebates that'll count towards any bonuses. So I want to go in there and do that as well. But yeah, I basically just want to check out to see if there's any glitches and see if I can get those vitamins. So anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is typically a Google Doc link down below in the description box for you. I just don't have one this week for Walgreens because I'm not doing a lot of deals. I'm basically doing a scenario. You know what I mean? So anyways, there is typically a Google Doc link down below in the description box for you to help you out to plan your trip or to help you out when you go in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So of course, the first thing that I wanted to go for is the vitamins. And since the vitamins are going to be about $30 for just the 2 bottles, I am going to go ahead and do a scenario or a transaction, and I'm going to use a spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. I also have a paper booster that I would like to use. So these are normally priced at $14.99. They are not included in the buy one, get one free promotion, but even though they are marked at $14.99, they actually ring up at $13.99 a piece. But the great thing is that they're also included in this promotion. That is, when you buy 2, you get back $5 in a register reward, and it's good until June 25th. So I'm going to grab these 2 here. It's going to cost me $27.98. I'm going to use one $3 off coupon from the 5-1 Save Insert. Now, these expire on the 29th. I do believe there are new ones out as well, but I only have the one coupon with me because I thought they were buy one, get one free. So I'm only using the one. You use however many you are comfortable with using. So it's going to bring my total down to $24.98. But we're going to get back that $5 register reward. We're also going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $14.99 as well as a 10-cent any vitamin rebate as well. So we'll get back $15.90 or $15.09. Making it $4.89 for the both of them. If you have another $3 coupon, it would be $1.89 for both of them. If you have a digital version and it glitches, these would be a freebie, but we're pairing it in with a spend booster, so these are going to be free. And while we're here, we might as well test out a few glitches. So I am going to grab some Garnier. I did not do the Garnier in my regular Walgreens video, so I'm going to use this 3 off 2 paper coupon from the 515 Save Insert. I'm going to grab these 2. They are going to be 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. So if this doesn't glitch, then these will be free. If it does glitch, then they will be a $3 moneymaker. So we'll see what happens. It's later on in the week. It might be different. I'm also going to test this glitch out again for the stem bug spray, bug killer spray. I wanted these kind for the bees because I would like bee spray. But these are $8.99. They're not on any type of promotion. So the 2 of them will equal out to $17.98. We have that buy one, get one free coupon that I do believe is from the 522 Save. That will take $8 off because it does have a max value of $8. But then we also have that digital version that is $6.99 off of 2. So it would make these just $2.99 for both of them, or $2.98, excuse me. So then I'm going to grab this diabetic shake thingy here. These are on sale in store for $7.99. We have a $4 digital coupon that we can use. Ooh, I should have tried using the $4 paper coupon to see if the $4 digital would come off as well. I didn't think of that until right now.
But anyways, then you would pay $3.99, submit your receipt to Ibotta, and get back $2, making this $1.99. So this is everything that we are grabbing in this transaction. It equals out to about $62.95. We're going to use this paper booster as well as the digital booster, and let's just go check out and see what happens, and I will meet you guys in the vehicle.
All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and whoa, really, really, really good. So I went into Walgreens, and well, you know that because you're watching the video, but when I went to Walgreens, I was thinking that the vitamins were going to be buy one, get one free, because I thought there were other are these Nature Valleys or Nature Truth or Spring Nature or something like that? Nature's Bounty. There's just so many variations of the vitamin names. So I thought all Nature Bounty vitamins were buy one, get one free. But these ones were not, but they were part of a promotion for all of May and most of June, where you buy two, you get back a $5 register reward. It's a store register reward, but you still get back $5. So I didn't know that was going to happen. So we got that. So that was good. I'm going to show you my receipt right here. So I had a $3 paper coupon for the vitamins. Now I only used one paper coupon because I was thinking the vitamins were buy one, get one free. So I only took one coupon in because it wouldn't work on the free item. Then I had the buy one, get one free coupon for the STEM bug spray. And then I had a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis. Then I had 2 digital coupons come off as well. I had the $6.99 off of 2 STEM digital coupon come off, and I had the $3 Garnier digital coupon come off. So this is a glitch that is going on right now. We know that this isn't supposed to happen, but I've seen where even if you don't have like a 3 off of 2 or a 4 off 2 digital and paper coupon, that the digital version is coming off as well. So I'm sure that they will get that fixed very soon. But yes, after my coupons, my total was $36.96. I got back $25 in Walgreens cash, $15 for my digital booster, which was spend 60, get back 15. And then I had a paper booster. I did a Walgreens video earlier in the week, and I can link that up in the eye and down below, that I found a spend booster. So I wanted to use that. It was spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Then I got back the $5 register reward for the vitamins, and I got back the $4 register reward for the Garnier. Now these are both store register rewards, so I can't use them in the same transaction, but what I would most likely do is go in and just get like a box of the trash bags that I like to get and just use this. That's basically what I use these store register rewards for, because these, I know other people can do it. I cannot do it at my store where I use, say, a paper booster and one of these. I am just not able to do that. So then I also got back $17.09 on Ibotta, $14.99 for the vitamins, and then a 10-cent any vitamin bonus, or not, it's not a bonus, it's just any vitamin rebate. And then I also got back $2 for the diabetic shakes. So what does that make my total for everything? Well, I thought it was going to be free. I did not think it was going to be this big of a moneymaker. But this makes everything free and a $14.13 moneymaker, guys. That is insane. Insane. I'm so glad I went to Walgreens and did those vitamins. So it was on Tuesday that I seen a rebate for the vitamins, and I thought, oh, they're Nature's Bounty. You know, Walgreens usually has vitamins buy one, get one free. I thought, man, this is going to be an incredible, killer, crazy deal. You know what I mean? Well, it was at Walgreens, so I thought, well, I'm going to look on Walgreens app, and I didn't see anything. So I thought, well, that doesn't mean they don't have them. It's just not showing in the app that they have them. So I'm just putting all my stuff together. So then I seen that Walmart had them too. Well, I knew my Walmart carried them, so I was just going to do it in my regular Walmart Ibotta video. which I did include it in that. But then I seen that they were separate rebates, and I saw Jody got them at her Walgreens, and I'm like, well, I'm just going to get them at Walgreens too. I can use Walgreens cash, you know what I mean, because it's kind of expensive, but I'll get the majority of it back in regular cash on Ibotta. So I thought, why not? So anyways, that's why I did it again. But anyways, guys, that's really all I have. Just a quick little transaction for you guys so that you can see at Walgreens that things are still glitching. I don't know about register rewards rolling or anything like that. I did not test that out because I didn't want to chance it. But yeah, guys, that's really all I have for Walgreens. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.